Assalamu alaikum everyone and Eid Mubarak. Today I want to share my experience of celebrating Eid here in Africa. I started my morning by getting ready for the Eid prayer. I am just fixing my hair and putting my favorite perfume. For breakfast I made Semai, a traditional Bangladeshi sweet dish. After eating I was ready to go. We didn't have much time, so we quickly took the car so that we can reach very fast. It is really a great feeling to pray with people from so many different countries. After the prayer, I started cooking. I made Bangladeshi biryani, which is my favorite food. After cooking, I enjoyed a delicious lunch. Oh, that's great. So, this was my day. It was simple but special. Thanks for watching.